In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube to your Impact.com affiliate account. If you want to promote affiliate offers through your YouTube channel, it's important to make sure your channel is properly added to your Impact.com account first. This helps advertisers review your traffic source, understand how you plan to promote their products, and approve your applications more easily. The good news is that the process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. To get started, log into your Impact.com affiliate account and go to your account dashboard. Once you're signed in, look for the settings area related to your profile or properties. This is where you manage the websites, platforms, and channels you use for affiliate promotion. From there, choose the option to add a new property. A property is simply the traffic source you'll be using, such as a website, social platform, or content channel. When prompted to select the property type, choose the option that matches a social media or content platform, and then select YouTube if it appears as a specific option. If the platform asks for a URL, enter the full link to your YouTube channel carefully. Make sure the link is correct and leads directly to your public channel page, because advertisers may review it before approving partnerships. As you fill out the property details, provide any required information about your content or audience. Keep your descriptions clear and accurate. If there's a field asking how you promote products, briefly explain that you create YouTube content and include affiliate links in places like your video descriptions or related content areas, depending on your usual setup. The goal here is to honestly represent how your traffic source works. After entering the necessary information, save or submit the new property. Once it's added, your YouTube channel should appear in your list of promotional properties inside Impact.com. At that point, it becomes available to associate with advertiser applications, depending on the platform's layout and approval process. Before you finish, take a moment to review everything you entered. Double-check the channel URL, confirm that the property type is correct, and make sure your profile looks professional and complete. A clean and accurate setup can make a better impression on brands. And that's it. Once your YouTube channel has been added to your Impact.com affiliate account, you'll be in a better position to apply for affiliate programs and promote products through your videos. If you found this helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.